Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the page loaded, so start by confirming which browser you're using and where you want the bookmark saved. Once done, click the star icon or press the browser shortcut, usually Ctrl+D or CMD+D, to open the bookmark dialog. Make sure to name the bookmark something memorable. This matters because names drive recall. Explain why. Naming speeds retrieval later. Then pick a destination folder immediately, so the link doesn't land in a generic, cluttered folder. Next, refine where that bookmark will live and how it will be labeled. Click the folder drop-down and create or select a specific folder. Folders reduce visual clutter and speed future access. If the URL contains long tracking parameters, clean it up by removing extra strings to keep the link stable. Once you name it and set the location, consider adding tags or keywords if your browser supports them. Those let you search by topic instead of only folder hierarchy. Finally, save and test the bookmark immediately. Click it from the bookmarks bar or folder to verify it opens correctly. If you want access on multiple devices, enable browser sync or export your bookmarks to a file and import elsewhere. Make sure to back up important folders. If the bookmark doesn't appear, check that sync is enabled. Disable extensions that modify bookmarks, and confirm you saved to the right profile or folder. Those steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.